Well, hello everyone. Bo's Garage here. Today you're actually in my apartment, not out with my truck or... Yeah, you get the point. Anyways, what I'm getting at here is relatively simple. Bo's Garage is going to be expanding. What do I mean by expansion? Well, simple. Okay, guess that's just gonna come flying at me. I think that was a sign to say don't do that. I'm gonna try. I want to try other things too, not just the world of automotive. Hell, maybe I might even try baking with Bo's Garage. Might do some recipes. Might even do some mixology stuff, mixing drinks here and there. I am 23. YouTube, figure it out. Goodness me. Ugh. Anyways, that all being said, this is I'm not going to create a new channel for it. It's all going to be under this channel, and it's just gonna be I think I'm going to call it like maybe Bo's Garage Adventures, but that's mostly for like my vacations and stuff that I do. Like I did the one when I went down to Florida and went airboating. Captain Mo. I will link that video there. Maybe there, maybe not there, somewhere. I don't know. Anyways, with that being said, I do a lot more than just automotive work. I do writing for fiction. I write like fantasy world type stuff, a lot of dystopia. Good lord. Not like it's totally not like we live here or something. Just gonna fluff out my sweatshirt here so you can see the Heemeyer Demolition hoodie. I actually got this off the TikTok shop. It was awesome. Great purchase. Anyways, that being said, I can't take that seriously with just saying that, but because again, we live in a dystopia thing. I'm over here writing dystopian stories. That's not the point though. Point is, I'm gonna try and branch out a little bit. I don't know if I'm gonna include any of my writing stuff in there, only because one, there's a lot. Two, I have no idea how to do that, nor do I know how to animate anything. So that kind of cancels that out for a while. But like baking, maybe cooking recipes, it's gonna be maybe just some basic life tips too. Maybe I might do like some Bo's Garage philosophy, because I do study. I am in college. I have within this semester I have taken political thought, U.S. history since 1877, and philosophy. All three of those classes butt together, and it's not terrible, but at the same time, having that much knowledge of, wow, our world is really built upon a bunch of crap that we've been sold as kids, it does kind of open your eyes a little bit. That being said, I'm not over here gonna, shit on America. America's doing the best we can sometimes. I would also blame our states too, mostly just because I live in the Midwest. And Midwesterners, every time it's cold, we always say, if it wasn't for the wind, it wouldn't be so cold. Or it's not the heat that gets you, it's the humidity. I hate that I sound like I'm from the South, New Jersey, and the Midwest all at the same time. But apparently that's how people have classified my accent. So do with that as you will, Southerners. I'm sorry, New Jersey. I get it. I'm an imposter. But you guys do make some good food, and so do the Southerners. So, that being said, I have a plethora of knowledge at my disposal. That's why I started doing the Bo's Garage Basics. For not everyone has, maybe a father figure or someone in their life who's willing to teach them, oh, how do you change a tire? How do you change your oil? What do I do? How do I drive in the snow? It seems crazy to think about, but that's the truth of it. Not everyone has someone to teach them all that stuff. And if you're from a region in the U.S. that doesn't get snow, and it does snow, it's going to be the most crazy experience ever because nobody's going to know what to do and they're all going to act like idiots. But if you know how to do it, you seem like you've done this 1,000 times. They're going to think you're from one of these other regions. The Midwest just happens to do all of your seasons all at once, way quicker and better at it. The only thing we don't do better is tornado season. Sorry, the South and the Southeast got us beat. Not Southeast, Southwest, my bad. Directions in the Midwest are a little funky. We don't use actual directions. We use time and or, oh, just go over there, would you? If you go down this road there and you take that road over there, you're gonna, and if you're listening to the song Southern Nights, it'll take you about a couple listens to get there. We can measure in time and music. Just how we do things. Anyways, with that being said, I'm going to try and branch out a little bit. Baking, cooking, maybe some philosophy. If you guys want that, put that in the comments. Maybe just some life advice. I'm 23, but I don't have all my stuff in here. It's actually my living room. But you know what? Why not? It's story time. For those of you who don't know, I'm also former U.S. Army. Don't mind my kitchen. Yes, I have a whole bunch of cool stuff, and my kitchen is yellow. I did not paint it that way. Do not tell me how to paint my kitchen. I didn't paint it. Anyways. But yes, I am former military right there. I can guarantee nobody can find me. I can see me clearly through here, but there's my dog. There's my tag. Got my hat. That's my friends. She and I and my other buddy Nolan, who you guys have not met, we're all on the channel. Or not on the channel. We've been good friends since we were super, super little. But with that being said, I have her name tape only because of how much she means to me as a person. Paige, if you're watching this, we love you. From myself to you, I hope you're doing well. Paige also has Paige and her I believe fiance now, Jonathan, have agreed to make me their godfather. Pardon me. Of their son Magnus. Magnus, if you're watching this, don't be like me and do crazy dumb things. Be like me and be crazy, but do cool things that don't worry your mother. Okay? Anyways, I'm going to set you guys back down. And the coveralls. I don't know why that one got flapped up like that. Anyways, World War II wool and silk, everybody. Still kicking. I wore those to work the other night because it was so cold. It's like 3 degrees. What the feel like. Let me see. How did I do this? Alright, there we go. Alright, that being said, I have a lot of knowledge. I've got a lot of life skills. I can't exactly say that I'm 1,000% in everything. Nobody can. Not everyone's good at everything. And if you are good at everything, what are you doing watching me? I get it. I'm entertaining to watch screw up sometimes, but I know a lot of you guys watched or enjoyed watching. I should say. Not really enjoyed, but spend more time watching. What is that? Oh yeah, it was when I did my Facebook Live revival of Britney, or the old F-150 Ranger Fireball. I will link that. Yep. Right there. Anyways, that being said, a lot of you guys like that. It was a little more heart-to-heart than it was me being, yes, Mr. Professional. It was me being open and honest about my life. I wasn't in a great place at the time, but hey, life can kick you in the he'll kick you in the balls when you least expect it. And if it does, it's not going to be it's never a gentle kick. It's always when you're already on the ground, bent over and going, why me? And then you get smacked stupid hard, and you're like, oh, the pain I felt earlier was the precursor, was the warning. Oops, my bad. Anyways, with that being said, I really hope you guys enjoy the upcoming stuff. I don't know when I'm going to start making this stuff happen. When I do, I'll probably throw up a post in my community page and be like, hey, some news coming. But I also want to mention that my shop teacher H, Mr. H, if you're watching this, I appreciate you teaching me autos. I love what I do, especially in the sense that you get not just that you taught me autos, but it was a whole experience that most people won't get to experience. So H, pat yourself on the back. You did a good job. I know you're teaching a whole bunch of other students, even with the winter coming now, how to work on cars for the first time, or maybe it's their first experience around an engine other than power tech, which would be small engines. But thank you, Mr. H. So I'm doing all this stuff because I want to share my knowledge, want to share stories. Maybe I might just do like a stories thing. Put it in the comments what you guys want to see, because I know I'm going to do some recipes for some foods and baked goods, maybe some alcohol recipes. I'm not going to dive crazy deep into the whole booze stuff, because booze is friggin' expensive. I will never forgive them. If America runs out of weed and booze, the entire world better figure their problems out real quick. Otherwise, we'll solve it for them. It'll take us 2 hours. 2 hours. Not 24, not 4, 2 hours. But anyways, that being said, hope you enjoyed this little update, I guess. Yeah, we'll call it an update. A little bit of an update, a little bit of a, hey, new stuff's coming, pay attention. Also, a lot of you ain't subscribed. I don't know why you guys keep coming back but not subscribing. I get it. I'm not to put myself down, but I'm not a giant YouTuber who has infinite money. I live in an apartment and I'm going to college. Thanks. I don't have that. I don't have Whistling Diesel kind of money. Whistling Diesel, if you need help with that killdozer, let me know. Love to help. Anyways, I just like to do what I do. Not to say that they don't. I'm just balling as I do. If you guys don't like my content, that's fine. I'm not really doing it specifically for you, other than with the basics. The basics is to teach people just some basic skills. Changing oil, changing tires, changing just spark plugs. I know most of the automotive YouTubers on here are probably going, why would you want to, why would you do that? Most people who watch our videos already know how to do that. Well, that's the point. To keep the community alive and bring new people in, you got to teach this stuff, and not everyone has the available auto shop teachers out there to teach them such things. And even if they do, it's not like they're going to get another Mr. There's a very rare chance they'll get a Mr. H kind of a teacher. Just for a little bit of a background, Mr. H, Desert Storm vet, crazy cool guy, very passionate about what he does, and he's amazing to just, the way his mind works is awesome, and he connects with people on a whole different level. But that's enough of me rambling. Go back to endlessly scrolling YouTube, but make sure you hit the subscribe button, the notification bell. I have an Instagram. It's linked in my about stuff. I try and keep up on the posts there, but again, I am in college. I work at an airport. Maybe I might make some light, stupid light airport content. Don't want to get in trouble with the FAA. Don't want to get in trouble with the airport because I like my job. But anyways, with that being said, just some small stuff. If you want to see something specific, the comment section is there for a reason. Hit that like button too. Not to say that not to say like it helps, because YouTube completely broke that system when they got rid of the dislike button. It would really help content creators balance out, oh, this works, this doesn't, but the dislikes don't mean anything anymore. Nor is there like a very prevalent option to do so with them. But yeah, let me know what you guys want to see. And if you say gaming, I swear, I understand that. I used to be a big gamer, not so much anymore. But that's enough of me rambling. I've said it, said my piece. You guys have a fantastic day. Remember, like, subscribe, hit the bell. Follow me on TikTok. That's where you're going to see most of the crazy cool edits before they come to YouTube. And that's only because TikTok's a slightly better platform. But I didn't say that, YouTube. See, my teeth aren't moving. Anyways, have a wonderful day. Go check out the basics. There's going to be some stuff coming. Enjoy.